Hey guys, about a month ago someone sent me a testimonial after doing my course at beginnerdjlessons.com saying that the course was so easy they showed it to their mum and now even their mum knows how to beat match. I read this testimonial and I quickly realised that my mum doesn't know how to beat match. So this week I'm going to be teaching my mum how to beat match. Let's do this.
I bet that was dreadful. My jumper went up.
Okay guys, this is my mum, Sue. And just quickly, mum, why do you want to learn how to DJ?
A new hobby for my old age.
She's lying. She's only doing it because I asked her to do it for the video. Okay, do you think you can DJ?
No.
Okay, lack of confidence. First thing we need is confidence. To start, I'm just going to get mum to beat match two identical tracks that are just drum beats, okay? So what we're going to do now is I'm going to have this track over here playing constantly. And what I want you to just start by doing is just tapping along to the beat of this track. So listen to this track and then just tap along to the beat of it over here.
One finger?
Yes. Okay, ready?
I'm doing do.
Tell you what, just tap here to the beat.
That seems good.
Okay. Perfect. Now start hitting that red button. Perfect. So this time what I want you to do is tap here, because that worked well for you last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. While holding down, press the play button with that finger and take both fingers off so that track continues to play. Okay, now take both fingers off. Mum essentially did her first beat match then, okay? So that is beat matching. Okay, so the second thing I'm going to get you to do now is the same thing, except you are the only one who's going to be listening to the second track, okay? Now have one in and one out. This is what DJs typically do. So they can hear one track and then in the other ear they can hear the other. Right, here we go. Now bring the other one down. Push that one up and bring the other one down. So, what Mum did was she got the two tracks lined up, brought one volume up, brought the other volume down. So it just sounded like to us guys, just one track playing. But actually what Mum had done was brought one track in and took another track away. So the next thing I need to teach you now is what these up here do, okay? Even though it's just a kick track playing, Mum is now going to attempt to beat match the two tracks, bring the volume up, and then actually blend the two kick drums together before taking away the kick drum that was originally playing. Okay, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it. That's it. Take both hands off. Just listen to the track that's playing and slowly add in the mid drum then take away the mid drum there. Okay, perfect. And do the same thing with the highs. But what you saw there was Mum perfectly blended the two tracks into each other. Okay, so that is the basics of beat matching done. Okay guys, welcome back. No, it's not welcome back because they haven't gone anywhere.
No, so forget about it. Tell them we've had a break.
Okay guys, we're moving on to the second part of beat matching now, where we're actually using two real tracks. So what we've got is two tracks with a prominent beat, both playing at the same speed, and they're looped, so they're never going to run out, they're just going to keep going. We're just going to give this a go and see if Mum can do this straight off the bat. To be honest with you, this is actually our fourth attempt. Little things are going wrong, we're getting phone calls and stuff. Okay, we're going to go again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's on the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a bit with highs, do some of the highs. Take the loop off over there, just press the auto loop button. Okay, let's try one more time, and this time I'm just not going to say anything. I'm going to see if Mum gets this completely by herself. I won't say anything this time.
I'm DJ Sue and I'm about to beat match.
That's it. That's all you need to do. So guys, we've done it. I've taught Mum how to beat match. And Asper, how did you find that?
Trickier than I thought. Hardest bit was the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, the actual counting.
Yeah, that was the hardest bit, getting that turn.
Yeah, it is tricky. Okay guys, that video just goes to show that anyone can learn how to beat match if taught properly. If you are interested in learning how to beat match and how to DJ and everything you need to know about DJing, go to...
DJ...
No.
Beat Max.
No, it's beginner
Let's
DJ.
write it. Let's write it.
No,
down.
just say it now. Just say it now.
BeginnerDJ.com.
No, beginner DJ lessons. It's basically...
BeginnerDJLessons.com.
What a pitch. Okay, right. We'll see you next week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh dear, dear.